Yeah, no, no, yeah, no, no, yeah, no, no,
Thank you. Welcome back to the African Dining Show. Today we are going to cook some African organic food. It's a surprise. First, we start with the washing dishes, and then after we prepare our breakfast. Of course, we prepare some ginger tea and some other food. So keep watching, keep tuning, and remember to subscribe. So we start with this place. Washing dishes, you want to get them from the sink. Let's drain this dirty water. We start draining this dirty water.
yeah, no, no, yeah, no, yeah.
So I think we're done with washing dishes. So the spoons are ready, as you can see. Yeah. Here for the clean up. Yeah. This place is clean. You can see. So make it dry. See? This is pumpkin, very, 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 very sweet, yeah, like this. So let's cut it. Not easy to cut, it's hard. And the seeds, so these seeds are good for your health. Don't throw them away. Wow. First piece, salt, so this one we cut it into two. Wow. Yeah, the second piece, so we are going to cut it into two also, into two pieces. Wow, it's hard. You can see it's absolutely the best. It's the most indigenous, yeah? Organic one. And you are going to enjoy this African dining show today. Yeah, so the next step is that we want to wash these yams, yeah? We haven't washed the yams, so we start by washing. Yeah. So you take them. These are the yams. See? Very, 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 they will be very sweet, very yummy. So these are roots. These yams. So we add some water from top. Rinse it. Okay, when you're washing it, it's recommended that you can use some bit of salt. Yeah. So take some bit of salt. Wash your bits. Yeah? Put some salt. So after adding some salt, you're going to wash it with that salt. It will reduce the effect of acidity in it. So you drain this water, add the second water, clean water, rinse, the rinsing, clean the water, and then now we're going to add this pumpkin. Yeah, add pumpkin. Remember, we add even the seeds. These seeds are very good for your health. They have calcium and iron nutrients. It is good for your health, especially expectant mothers. They are encouraged to use these pumpkin seeds. And it's hard to find them. Don't think it's hard. In the city, these pumpkins, they are very expensive, but we understand their benefit. Very good. Now you have to add some salt. Yeah, you add some salt. Then we allow it to boil for 30 minutes. It's going to boil for 30 minutes, and it will be ready. It just needs to be boiled. Nothing else we're going to add. Just the boiling it, and that will be good to go. Yeah. Yes. Oh, so we'll be adding some water. Yes. So set the fire burning. Then we get our yams and pumpkin boiling. Regulate it. So at the start, you need to regulate this flame, this fire. The temperatures ought to be high, but after some 10 minutes, as it will start boiling, we'll reduce the temperatures. Yeah. So we're adding some water. You can see. Add some water. Yeah. So after doing that, yeah, that's alright. We'll cover it. It needs to be covered with this lid. So we will allow it to boil for at least 30 minutes, and they will be ready. Just need to boil them. Then we'll take it from there. Our breakfast already boiling. You can see this yellow precipitate is from the pumpkin. We let it boil for 30 minutes. It's going to be ready, and then we proceed to preparing our tea. This off, yeah. So it's ready. So we will serve it into another plate. Yeah. So before we serve it, we have some eggs here, and we like to boil these eggs. Yeah. And I can show you that here. So we got the eggs. We got the eggs here. Yeah, the eggs. Yes. See? So pumpkin and yams ready. So we're going to boil these eggs. They will boil at least for some 15 minutes. They'll be ready. So we just start up. So take them to spring. Then we add some water to this. Yeah. So you show them closely what you're cooking. These eggs you're boiling. So this one is ready. Let us cover it. Yeah. So our eggs have added some water, about half a liter of water. So these eggs are going to boil, and they will boil for about 15 minutes. They will be ready. So our breakfast will be ready, and we like to enjoy. So we can cover it. So these eggs are going to boil for 30 minutes. Yeah, so for 10 to 15 minutes they will be ready. So after they are ready, we will show you as we proceed. Thank you, keep tuned. This is the African Dining Show. Egg. Yeah. Let's use our bare hand for easy carriage. Remember, this is very delicate, but they are ready. They have boiled. So we're going to smash them right now. Yeah. Keep watch. So our eggs are here, ready to be eaten. Ready. Yeah, these are eggs. Yeah, and the pumpkin and the yam is ready here. So from here, right, we're going to serve there. Yes? Yeah, of course. We're going to prepare ginger tea. So let me find my ginger here. Yeah. And get some hot rain. It's enough. You will need half of this ginger. So wash our ginger. Yeah. Okay, so we cut this ginger into small pieces. Then it will be added to our meal. Yeah. Cut. Into small pieces. And water. We'll add some tea leaves. Yeah. This is ginger tea. Toast with milk. Yeah. This ginger is very, very hard. Yeah. The best.